The fourth product on this list is the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven performs multiple cooking functions in one compact design. With its 1800-watt power, this oven offers a range of features, including air-free, convection bake, broil, grill, toast, and warm settings. Whether you're making crispy fries, baking a pizza, or roasting a chicken, this appliance has you covered. Its spacious interior can easily accommodate up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 4-pound chicken. It also can air fry up to 3 pounds of chicken wings, making it perfect for families or small gatherings. The adjustable temperature dial and 60-minute timer with auto shoot-off help ensure your meals are cooked to perfection every time, while the toast shade selector lets you customize your toasting experience. For added convenience, the Cuisinart Toaster Oven features an oven light, oven rack, baking pan, and air fry basket, making it easy to prepare various dishes. The nonstick interior ensures quick and hassle-free cleanup, so you can spend more time enjoying your meals and less time cleaning up. Built with durability in mind, this stainless steel appliance comes with a limited 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Overall, the Cuisinart Toaster Oven is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an all-in-one appliance that delivers quality cooking results in a compact, easy-to-use design. Still haven't found the best toaster oven for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without.